First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
This morning, we're waking up to more mugginess in the air. That's going to continue for at least a couple of more days before we see significant changes coming to our forecast. If you've been wanting a preview of fall, a little taste of fall in the air, you're going to get it this coming weekend. Perfect timing for a lot of events that will be going on during the weekend. 69 degrees currently in Bowling Green with a clean sweep all the way around on radar this morning. Nothing showing up as far as any kind of shower activity. As we take a look at the current conditions from some of the mesonet sites around the area, we're seeing mainly upper 60s and low 70s. 71 in Greenville, 70 Hartford, and Munfordville 73, Edmonton, Campbellsville at 68, Albany at 71, Scottsville at 73, Elkton at 71. Live from our Doppler cam, a beautiful clear sky over Bowling Green this morning. There may be a few patchy areas of fog here and there. Currently, we're at 69 degrees. The winds are calm, humidity 96%, and the barometer holding steady. Here's a look from the Bowling Green Airport, and there we're seeing a temperature of 70 degrees as we look down Scottsville Road toward I-65 at this hour. Franklin, you're starting out at 71 degrees in Simpson County this morning. And as we go to the weather cam at Jamestown Marina, Lake Cumberland, your day is starting mainly clear there with a current temperature of 71 degrees. It's near 80 already, though, in St. Louis, Missouri at this hour, with the heat being locked in over this part of the country, upper Midwest. 75s for Indianapolis and Columbus, 68 Charleston, Knoxville, 73 in Huntsville, 77 Memphis, 70 here in Bowling Green, which is 1 degree cooler than it was yesterday at this hour. But notice in the Northeast, where we've been talking about frost and freeze advisories the last couple of mornings, they're now seeing a significant warm up of 15 to 20 degrees warmer this morning than yesterday. So that little taste of fall that they had there the last couple of days is now gone. Here's a look at the 12-hour radar, and yesterday, we did have a few little isolated showers that popped up during the heat of the day. Notice everything kind of going up and over and around that big dome of high pressure, which has dominated our weather forecast here for the last couple of days. But there's just enough instability and enough lift in the atmosphere without there being a cold front or anything like that around. Just little weak boundaries that could touch off an isolated shower or two around the area this afternoon. But like yesterday, not everybody's going to get rained on, and then after sunset, everything dies away. And then tomorrow, more splash and dash kind of showers, just kind of dotting the area as we go through the day. Here's that significant cold front that is going to come in here Thursday. And with that will be a better chance of showers and thunderstorms. Then behind that front is going to be a real taste of fall-like weather as we head into the weekend. The tropics becoming a little more active. And by the way, today, September 10th, is the peak day for the Atlantic tropical season. Everything ramps up to this day on average and then starts to go downhill. The last day of the tropical season in the Atlantic is November 30th. So we still have a little ways to go. But we do have Tropical Storm Umberto that we were talking about yesterday near the Cape Verde Islands. Still forecast to maybe become a Category 1 or even a Category 2 storm. It would be the first named hurricane of the Atlantic season. It could be the latest ever on record for an Atlantic season. And then we have Gabrielle, just a tropical storm too, but it may affect Bermuda. This was a tropical storm a few days ago. It weakened, it has re-strengthened, but it does look like it'll just stay a tropical storm. And neither of these storms look to affect the main east coast of the United States. Hot and humid today. Chance of a shower or thunderstorm 91 this afternoon, but the heat index near 100 degrees. Showers ending this evening, then partly cloudy and 72. Tomorrow, another day when we could see a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon, 91, 89 on Thursday with the best chance of rain at 50%. That's when that cold front comes through. And behind it, how about a very nice, cooler, less humid weekend for everything going on. Highs in the 70s and low 80s. Overnight lows dropping as low as 52 by early Saturday morning.